There's something working day and night. While I'm asleep, it keeps things right. Every thought, each move I make is powered by something wide awake. It helps me love, it helps me learn, stores the lessons when it's my turn. So take a trip, come see with me what's going on inside of me. Big picture, thinking the cerebrum's the biggest part you'll find. It's where we think, remember, plan and decide. Split in two, left for logic, right for art. Both sides work together, never apart. The frontal lobe leads, it helps me choose, controls my movement, what words I use. My personality, my goals, my drive. It's where my focus comes alive. It's the brain inside of me, running on my memory. Every move and every sound, from my head down to the ground. Every heartbeat, thought and dream is powered by this neural team. Now I know what makes me, me. It's the brain inside of me. The Parietal Lobe helps me feel in touch, knows where my body is, that matters so much. Spatial sense and pressure and pain, it's mapping signals through my brain. The Occipital Lobe helps my vision flow, it's how I see colors and shapes I know. And the Temporal Lobe plays sound and speech, stores the memories I try to reach. The Hippocampus is my mind's hard drive, it keeps my past and helps me survive. The brain's in harmony, running on my memory. Every move and every sound, from my head down to the ground. Every heartbeat, thought and dream is powered by this neural team. Now I know what makes me, me. It's the brain inside of me. Deep inside the brainstem lies, keeps me breathing, keeps my eyes blinking when they need to be automatic constantly. The cerebellum fine-tunes motion, gives me balance, smooth devotion. Walking, dancing, that's its art. Motor skills play a crucial part. The Amygdala feels when I'm afraid, when stress or anger start to invade, while the Hypothalamus keeps me aligned with hunger, sleep, and hormones time. In harmony, running on my memory. The brain's in harmony, running on my memory. Every move and every sound, from my head down to the ground. Every heartbeat, thought and dream is powered by this neural team. When I feel or plan or see, there's a process inside of me. Every thought's a mystery, solved by the brain inside of me. So when I think or breathe or feel, it's signals that make it real. Billions of neurons constantly working in the brain inside of me. Working in the brain inside.